What if I told you that some of the world's best software, Linux, Android, even VS Code, are completely free? Not free like a promo kind of free. Free because of something called open source. In this short video, we'll break down what open source really means and why it's one of the most powerful ideas in tech. Open source simply means the source code of a program is available for anyone to view, modify, and share. But it's more than just free access. It's built on four freedoms. One, freedom to run the program however you want it. Two, freedom to study how it works. Three, freedom to share copies. And four, freedom to improve and share those improvements. That is the philosophy that gave birth to Linux. And it's the reason it keeps getting better and better every year. So you might think, but it's free. But if it's free, how do people make money? Great question. Companies build services and support around open source. Think Red Hat, Canonical, and even Google make billions while keeping their core software open. Open source isn't anti-business, it's pro-collaboration. In the premium section, we will take this further. You will learn how to find and read software licenses, understand the difference between copyleft and permissive licenses, and even explore application licenses on your Android phone. You'll see how open source empowers you, not just as a user, but also as a potential collaborator or as a potential contributor. So take care, and I'll see you in the premium course. Bye for now.